Most people think the sailing lifestyle is a lot of this. But unfortunately, if you don't have a lot of money, you've also got to do a whole lot of this. It's all just wet and rusty.
How you doing down there, bud?
There's one thing I like doing, it's working in the hull. All right. Previously on Project Atticus.
After spending 3 years refitting our fixer-upper sailboat, we left the United States with only $2,000 and the goal of working while we cruised. We made it as far as Isla Mujeres, Mexico, before we ran out of money and had to find work. For the next year, we did freelance boat repair jobs until we saved up enough cash to cast the lines and sail south to explore the Western Caribbean.
For the past couple months, we've been working hard on boat projects in Bocas del Toro, Panama, to prepare Atticus for her biggest challenge yet, crossing the Pacific Ocean. Good morning. So, today's an exciting day. Well, first of all, this week we are going to be hauling Atticus out. So, we're both a little nervous about that. But today is the second annual Bocas del Toro Regatta.
Regatta, be kidding me, buddy.
Regatta win today. That's what regatta. So anyway, we're going on Parlay Revival, which over here we got our escort to the boat, Matt.
Bang, how are you?
Are you the first mate, Matt?
No, that's Jamie.
So you're the tactician?
I'm just the tactician.
Yeah, no big deal. How are you feeling our chances are today of winning?
Oh, well, El Capitano, he's pretty adamant that we're going to win.
Oh,
yeah?
Yeah, he's A-game's on. He's on form this morning.
Good.
She brought my sailing gloves. I haven't used those since I bought them 5 years ago.
Yeah, sailing gloves are bad luck. Yeah, you gotta look cool while you're racing. Yeah, there you go. How's it look, bud?
They have dogs.
What'd you say the names of the dogs are?
Marty and McFly.
Nobody calls me chicken.
All right, where are we, bud?
We are on Parlay Revival, and this is Collin. If you guys haven't seen Collin's channel, Parlay Revival, definitely check it out. He's refit this awesome hurricane damaged catamaran, and you would never know that it was ever in rough shape. So
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Looking pretty good now.
Yeah, how do you feel, Captain?
Yeah, good. We got a good win this morning. It'll be good. We got 26 boats out there. It's a special race for us because we organized the race last year. It's Panama's first ever regatta last year.
Cool. All right, let's do it. Woo!
Yeah, let's go sail.
Oh my gosh, come on, boat dogs.
Yeah.
So awesome.
Yeah, they're pretty chill.
A 2-minute warning.
I think that was us.
I think that's us, 2 minutes. What do you think, Capitan?
Boys and girls, looking good. We're about 200 yards away from the start line. 2 minutes to go.
There's not much wind at all. How fast are we going?
3 knots.
3 knots.
As long as they're all moving at 2.5, then we're fine.
Robin's racing, I reckon.
Yeah, that's a good shout. Holy moly.
So what's regatta etiquette? Can we like heckle boats we pass?
Yeah.
We're gonna lose some wind here. In fact, it's happening right now.
Should we just announce this now?
Yeah, let's get rid of it.
Ready?
Yeah. You ready? Yeah.
Turn your engine off!
Start the heckling.
Yeah, we're sandwiched here.
Okay, ease the gypsy
He's caught up on something. Hey, Desiree, it's caught on the mast. The late, the torchy.
Yep, got it. Got it.
Yep, good. You guys are doing a great job back here. You guys are doing great. How is it, buddy? Yeah. We can tack over if you need to. Yeah, ready to tack. Okay, ready to tack.
All right.
And coming about. I think we made it. We got it. I think we made it.
So what's the plan, Collin?
We're gonna tie up to this pirate ship. My friend's the captain of it.
Uh-huh.
He said we can tie up to this. There's an after party there now. So we're gonna tie up and have a beer. Well earned, I think. We came first in the catamaran.
Nice.
Beautiful.
All right, man. Just another Saturday. Well, what do you think, bud? Yeah, right, and we won.
Higher than what?
Cheers, buddy. Cheers, man.
All right, well, today we are going to the boatyard to do a bunch of work on Atticus and to put those masts back up. So it's been a crazy morning, and to make matters worse, it looks like there's a squall on the way. So
Yeah, we better hurry before this thing barrels into us.
yeah, what do you call your move there, bud?
Mr. Cool.
Yeah.
Dale. Dale.
Got it.
Good job. Thank you. Oh, yeah.
So Jordan, how's the knees? How's the back? Still work? Oh, okay.
Feeling all right, you know?
Well, how was that, bud?
Yeah. Went well. Went very, very smooth. Those guys are some pretty strong hombres.
Yeah. You're such a good girl. You're such a good girl, aren't you? Ooh. It's so crazy to see our whole life and our whole existence and everything that we basically believe in and love is right there. Well, first trip step up the ladder. Many more to come. Well, the view's actually pretty nice. There's just like beautiful palm trees, just green everywhere. I think it'll be maybe enjoyable.
Yeah, for me, it just feels good to, like, now we can just make progress, you know, as opposed to just the move is the thing that's real stressful.
Right, yeah. Now we're up, everything's settled. Just need to make it into a work area instead of a home.
Time to get to work.
In this nice house that we're staying in. We lucked out because my cousin works pretty much next door to the boatyard and has a company house about 30 minutes away.
We're super lucky that we get to stay at this place because the boatyard is obviously less than ideal to live in, but it's got a ton of bugs.
Yeah.
And so they say that in the evening it's really, really unpleasant.
Time for work. Bye,
you'll have to
kitties.
get the gate.
How's the drive?
Yeah, it's nice. It's all banana farms here. Kion, Desiree's cousin who we're staying with, works at the Chiquita port that's right next to the boatyard. This whole region is just bananas. Like that's their big business. The first thing we're gonna do is remove the bobstay chain plate. The reason we're removing the bobstay chain plate is that the sealant around the chain plate has failed. Yeah, there we go.
All right.
All right, so it's definitely corroded. And you can see, like, look, that's all just wet and rusty.
Yeah.
Half the goal here is just gonna be to kind of clean this real good, open it up, just like we did the other chain plates, give it kind of a chamfer all the way around, and then that should allow for a better seal. Before we go get the new bobstay chain plate made, we're gonna move on to the other projects that involve us being down here so that we can get them done before the guys start sanding. I want to replace the Cutlass bearing because there's definitely a little bit of play in the prop shaft, and I'm getting my prop puller. Feels so good to have the one tool that we need. And this whole big bag of stuff normally lives in our cockpit locker, is way down on the bottom. So this has been a pretty good method of being able to carry a relatively large amount of tools in a small boat. It's just a big waterproof bag that we can just shove into whatever storage space we can find. Is we gotta disconnect the shaft from the coupling on the inside, which is gonna be fun.
How you doing down there, bud?
Oh man, if there's one thing I like doing aboard Atticus, it's working in the hole. So we got the shaft out. So now we just gotta try to pull this Cutlass bearing. So I got a couple ideas on how to remove the Cutlass bearing. All of them entail first removing the stuffing box. One cool thing about removing the stuffing box is I get to use my new fancy hose remover tool. Yeah, so the stuffing box is way back here below the fuel tank, aft of the engine, behind this bulkhead that supports the mizzen mast. So it's just kind of hard for me to get to. And in fact, I need to rest my neck for a second. I'm impressed that thing came off relatively easily. This day has been moving along. I'm actually kind of happy. So I inserted the shaft backwards so that the thread where the propeller would normally go is inside. And then I threaded on the nut on the inside. And so that's going to contact with the Cutlass bearing. And with any luck, look at that. It worked.
Woo.
Oh, all right. Well, it's 4:30. So that's the end of our first day in the yard.
Got everything off our to-do list, right?
Amazingly, yeah, we did. I can't believe it.
And we made a new friend. Coco. Oh, how's Coco?
Well, that was a day. So, yeah, first day of the boatyard is done. How do you feel?
Hot and eaten alive.
Yeah, we got to get going. The cheat trays are out, but yeah, we're just gonna do it again tomorrow and again every day for the next 2 weeks. So,
You ready for this?
yeah, let's do it. Hope you guys enjoyed the episode. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss next week's episode where we light Atticus on fire.
Woo!
See you guys next Thursday. All right. Oh.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed this week's episode. If you haven't yet, make sure you subscribe to our channel by clicking here. And if you're already a huge fan of Project Atticus, consider becoming a patron right there. See you next week.